Opportunity awaits on this unique property, offering just under an acre of fully fenced, R2.5 zoned land with 2 homes and multiple outbuildings. The primary residence features a spacious floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and 2 separate living areas. Additional highlights include a newer roof, central AC, an oversized attached 2-car garage, a carport, and a detached 1-car garage/shop. The second home is a charming 2-bedroom, 1-bath cottage with 2 additional non-conforming upper-level rooms accessed by a pull-down staircase, offering flexible space for storage, hobbies, or other uses. With its generous lot size and zoning, this property may offer future development potential, including the possibility of partitioning or adding adus. Buyers are encouraged to perform their own due diligence with this.